Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a visual timeline for your business in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to go ahead and launch your Canva web application, which of course I've done right here. The next thing I'm going to show you how to start creating your design on Canva. The first way is to create a design from scratch by clicking on this create a design button at the top right corner of your screen. And of course, the next step is the next way to create your design is to hit the search button right here and describe the kind of design that you want. On describing your design, it's going to take you to a world of templates that will help you and inspire your creative processes. So for the sake of this tutorial right here, we're going to describe what we want, which is visual visual timeline for business. Punch the enter key in your keyboard, and that's going to take you to the world of templates that you can most definitely choose from. So you should have a stable internet connection, okay, so that your designs can actually load up on time. Okay. I'm gonna have to disconnect and connect again. All right. Okay, so we're here. So here's our template, all right? And as you can see, they're really beautiful stuff available, okay? So you see some of the designs are labeled pro, meaning you have to upgrade, okay? The pro designs means you have to upgrade your subscription, or you have to upgrade your plan. You can click here to upgrade now, okay? And those that are not labeled the pro stuff, it means that they are free and you can definitely use them and customize them to what you want. So how do we, of course, create a visual timeline for our business using any of these templates that are free and available? Okay, so here's one that looks free, and but then it has this videography kind of feel. I don't think I want that. So let's, okay, this is pro, but this, that looks really cool. This is free. So let's go ahead and click on this. And the next thing, customize this template. And it's going to take you to the editing studio. And then from here, we can now get into work mode full time. So here is a visual timeline that you can definitely manipulate to suit what you want. Now remember, if you are not satisfied with your template, you can head over here, templates in design, on the design left corner, and then choose just describe your content or describe what you want, and they're going to give you more results. Like I'm seeing something here that kind of, okay, I think I'm just going to really like this more. It's simple. So here's the template. So I'm just going to show you how you can change the colors, change the icons, change the elements, and the wordings. Now, first off, the wordings. If you want to change the wordings in here, so you can click on this, double click, and that's going to highlight everything there. You can now change it to, let's say this is 2021, you can change it to 2023 because that's like the current year. And here you can just highlight it, and 2022. This can be 2021 and followed by 2020. Okay, remember it's just double tap and 2019. Okay, so that settles it, right? And here to the wordings, you just double click and that sets it. And even when you double click, there are other options here that you can choose from. You can change the font over here. I don't want to. You can change the font size, decrease the font size, or increase the font size. All right, you can change the font color by clicking on this text color to choose from here. You can make it bold, right? I'm sorry about that. You can make it bold, you can italicize it, you can underline and use any of these effects, just make it really beautiful. All right, and now you can do the same for this text. Now, if you want to move a text, just hold one hand on your mouse pad and one hand on the left corner of your mouse and just raise it, drag and drop to wherever you want this to be. So this can literally be anywhere. I can also increase this font by clicking here, and let's say we do 52, and it's, you see, it takes the entire space, and I move it. Let's say and move it here. So all of these are elements that can be changed. And look at this box now. You can click on it and change the background to something that is more. So if you click on that, you see that takes the idea of the whole thing. So let's say I want this whole thing to be white and I want everything to be white. So just click on the background and change it to white. No, change the background of that. Okay. So now that this, I'm just going to change this overall background as well from pink to something dark. Now my text color has not changed, so I'm going to open this up and head over to text color and make this white. Okay. Okay, that's my text color. It's white now, and this is really nice for me. You can also change all of these elements, so just click on that. You can find more elements. Okay, so this tries to tell you that, okay, this is project, this cost, these are all of these labels. Okay, so if you elaborate on what you want to discuss, and then you have this light icon. If you want to change the elements, head over to the left corner, click on this, and let's say bulb, and click on enter. They're going to show you all of the icons. So these are all the icons that you can choose from. If you don't want this icon, so just click on that, click on the icon in there and drag Ctrl Z. I'm clicking on the icon, click on it. See how that fits. This stuff is taking time to drag. Okay, so this is one. So let's say just clicked on it, right? What I did was just click on it. I can now fit this to size. Okay, and then just click on this, delete it, and then move this to the box and reduce the size. Reduce the size by clicking on the end of each element and use one finger on the left corner of your mouse, one finger on the mouse pad itself, and fit the size. So that's how I was able to change that icon. You can use that to change this icon as well. Just search the element and you get what you want. So just tweak everything and ensure that it suits your fancy. And then once you're done, click on share, click on download, choose your download settings, and you'll be good to go. And I can go over this process from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.